Here I have Xiaomi Redmi S2 and let me show you how to perform the virus scan on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the home screen, find and select the security right here. Let's tap agree to the following information. In my case, let's choose the security scan, tap OK. The device is looking for some viruses. As you can see, in my case, the device found 2 risks, so you can fix it right now. So let me scroll down, and as you can see, I can forbid the following messaging, and I can update my system to avoid this risk, so I can have the newest possible update to be sure that my device is secure. So that's it. Now you have to just wait until the update will be completed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.